Hello friends, today in this video we are going to see how to add decimals. So here 8 examples are given and we will solve these 8 examples. So let's get started. First example is 3.92, 11.057 and 236.84. We have to add all these three numbers. So let's get started. So I write here 3.92, 11.057 and 236.84. Now we'll add all these three numbers. While addition of decimals, write the given decimal numbers in such a way that the decimal points of all the numbers fall in the same vertical line and digits with the same place value are placed one below the other. That means units are written below the units, tens below the tens, ones below the ones, and so on. So we have written an example here. So we'll do the addition. So in this vertical line there is no other number, so I write 7 like that. So 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11, carry 1 here. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So I write 1 here, and below the decimal point I give the decimal point here. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7, 10 plus 11. So I write 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, and I write 2 here. So the answer is 251.817. Now let's take another example. So I write here 2.8, then 104.91, and then 37.056. So we'll add all these three numbers. So in this line there is no other numbers than 6, so I write 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 8 plus 9 is 17. So I write 1 here. Below the decimal point I give decimal point. And 7 plus 4 11 plus 2 13 plus 1 14. So I write 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4, and I write 1 here. When we add all these three numbers, the addition comes as 144.766. Third example, 3.007, 0.587, 18.341. So we will add all these numbers. So 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1 is 15. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So I carry 1 here. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. I give decimal points below that. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I carry 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So when we add all these three numbers, when we add all these three decimal numbers, we get the answer 21.935. Now let's look another example. 0.02 plus 0.008 plus 0.309. When we do addition of decimal numbers, we have to take care that the decimal points of all the numbers should be in the same vertical line. Now 8 plus 9 is 17. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. So I give decimal point here, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So the answer is 0.337. Next example, 9.25 plus 3.4 plus 6.666. So in this line there is no other numbers than 6. So I write 6 here. Now 6 plus 5 is 11. So I carry 1 here. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So I carry 1 here. And below the decimal point I give decimal point here. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Our answer is 19.316. Next example, 0.4136 plus 0.3195 plus 0.52. So here 6 plus 5 is 11, carry 1 here. 10 plus 3 is 13, carry 1 here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So carry 1 here and give the decimal point below all these decimal point. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So it gives the answer 1.2531. Next example is 3.8 plus 8.753. Now in this example, in this line, in vertical line, there is no other numbers than 3. That means it is 0 here. So I write 3 here because 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. So I carry 1 here and I give decimal point here. So 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1 is 12. So it gives the answer 12.553. Last example is 5.328 plus 6.48. So I write 8 here. 2 plus 8 is 10. So I carry 1 here. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. I give decimal point here, and 5 plus 6 is 11. When we add these two numbers, it gives the answer 11.808. I hope you have got an idea how to add decimals. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe it and share it. Thank you.